Hey tubes, it's Blazer Project here. Well, welcome to Potato Gun Versus today, February, and well, we're going shotgunning this time. Oh shoot, freaking bugs are coming out. So here's the plan. Got the potato gun over there. Downrange our targets. A bunch of shoot and see. We're going to eventually start moving up. And you're going to see just how much the shot pattern changes from shot to shot. So that's how that's going to work. Now today, here's what we're shooting. I got a bunch of biodegradable BBs, which are going to be perfect for out here. Then I got regular steel BBs, which are going to be safe for the end. Now a shotgun has a powder charge at one in a wad, then the shot, and then it's closed. So you can think of the air chamber as the powder. This can be the primer. Close that up before I make a big mistake. And the barrel, well, is your shotgun barrel, but in it you have a wad. The shot goes up in here, and then you have the cap, which is just going to be ordinary paper. So that's basically the premises of a shotgun right there. So let's just see what the shot pattern is from this distance, and we're going to keep moving up and moving up until we get point blank range, and then we'll really have some fun. Alright, let's go see if we did any damage. Well, first shot, didn't do too much damage as far as things go. I mean, none of those are punctured. Few holes from, whoa, that is a hit right there. I mean, a few of them are scattered and so forth. But other than that, nothing really penetrated. So let's move up a little closer. See if we can't actually get some damage. Well, take two didn't go too well. Didn't get any punctures or nothing like that. Most of them still hit. Probably not getting enough air pressure in the dang thing. Gotta go from that distance again. Reset that target. Oh, hello. There's some dimples right there. Spoke too soon. Right there. They didn't puncture, but they definitely dimpled the targets. So, that's nice. Oh yeah, you can see on the back side of this all the little marks. You may not be able to see on camera, but there's one. It's a bunch right there. Didn't penetrate, but hey, I call that a result. So, get that back right there. What the heck is over there? Probably just a bird. Well, I'm going to do some targets, find the wad, reload, and we'll go again. This time. Nuts. I just do not want to penetrate. Okay, now this time I got about 55 PSI in this monster. About as high as I want to go. Firing the hole again. Sorry, people. Here we go. This time I went over to the truck, got my little air compressor that I use up there, tires on the mower and everything, and got about 55 PSI in the sucker. And well, you can definitely now see a result. Now, as you can see, we got some smudges here, more dimples, but nothing went through. Time to break out some steel shot and get an actual result if all possible. And then it's going to be time for some fun. So, let me reload. And then we're going to go for steel, as in steel BBs. Now I got some And if this works, well, there you go. So let's get to the BBs this time. These are nice, but just don't have the punch apparently. May try something else when we go to destroy things. So let me get this reset. Get any closer than this. Fire in the hole. Wow. Okay, up the ante on the air pressure to 70 psi and definitely got a good result now. If you take a look, it's still pretty well spread, but you can see where the BBs are now. Got one here, a bunch stuck here in the C targets. That one's right there. Sheesh, some are even some actually went through and really caused some havoc, but you can see the closer you get with a shotgun, the more concentrated the spread is. So that's that. Now it's time to have some fun and destroy some things. Holy smokes, I'm still getting some. Let's go to the backside. I wonder what it looks like. Ah, here's a good result. Now that we're this close, you can see definitely all the little punctures that nearly came through. There we go. So now I'm going to get some targets in there, and we're going to really try and destroy some things now. So let's see what damage we can do. First thing first, gotta tear that down. So hang tight. Alright, now it's time to destroy something. That's the heater from the first episode. Got 70 psi in the chamber. Fully loaded with shot. GoPro is armed. Well, let's see if I get hurt. Fire in the hole. What's it gonna take to kill this damn thing? Seems even steel shot won't do this monster. Hey, sounds like we did have one go in. I got more steel shot. Let's see if a point blank range shot will do. Oh, where's that freaking wad? So, give me a moment to reset and we'll do point blank range. Okay, point blank range. This could get interesting. Either way, that thing's gonna die. Fire in the hole. Or not. God damn it. What's it gonna take to kill this damn thing? Heist. Well, no more damage, and that's as close as I'm gonna get. So, yeah, this thing gets to live to another episode, which sucks. Or I may make another one if I get the chance. But anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed the series, and if you do, throw me a like, comment, and subscribe. Helps out the channel. I'll be still trying to destroy that thing and other things. So I've got a little cleanup to do. But other than that, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace out for now.